everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the third part of my beauty product testing series. So for this video I'm going to be testing the Primark Glitter Obsessed Glitter Eye Palette, which looks like this. It's really crazy. It's got really cool crazy colours in it, and I actually cannot wait to try some of these out. I actually really like the packaging. I don't know if you can see it says Glitter Obsessed on the thing, but it's like holographic right in. It's really cool. And I got this for £4, which is like such a bargain. I'm just going to open it up. So I'm going to go ahead and test this product out for you. Oh, these are really pretty. Let's get a bit closer. They're really nice. Come on, focus. There we go. They're really pretty. Oh my gosh, they're like amazing. They're so pretty. I'm going to test quite a few colours and make sort of like a very colourful makeup look. So in this glitter palette, I think I might go in with a goldish sort of shade on the inner corners of the eye. So I think I'm going to go in with that shade here, that sort of goldy shade. I think I'm just going to apply that using this brush, which is just one that I've got from a Cargo Cosmetics palette that I absolutely adore. It's called Around the World, I believe. It's a really good palette, just saying. I'm just going to use this end of the brush and I'm just going to dive right in. Ooh, this is really cool. For some reason I thought it'd be like more of a cream, but it's actually just like straight up glitter. Okay, the more you actually apply it, like the more it actually becomes like almost like a cream. This is getting me all in the Christmas vibes already, if I do say so myself. Ooh, here we go. That shimmer though, I love this. Wow. So now I think I might just go in, because I want to do like more of a colourful look. I think I might go in with like a cool purple shade, or maybe like green. That's sort of like a Christmas look though. And it's not Christmas yet, guys. We've got 4 months to go, okay? It's not Christmas yet. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just go in with like a light blue to start with, and then go on for the heavy dark blue at the end. I think I'm just gonna use that blue here. I actually really like that shade. Oh, I love that. To finish off, I'm just going to use this dark blue, which is like hello. I love it. It's so cool. I love this so much. I think I might use a different brush for this, you know. It's the Real Techniques shading brush, which just looks like this. I'm just going to go in using that shade and just finish off this eye look to the best of my ability. It's sort of quite clear glitter until you sort of just pack it on. Blue, I don't think, is the best shade. Like, it's a little bit on the lumpy side, which sort of makes it quite difficult to apply it, you know? Okay, this is so weird now. This blue has been a bit of a ball ache. Like, the pigment has suddenly gone a bit shitty, and it's sort of making my eye not look cool. Like, it doesn't look bad per se, but it doesn't look great. So I'm gonna try and get as good as I can with this. I've almost finished my look. I'm obviously just gonna put a little bit of mascara on, do my lippy, and then do my all-night setting spray using the beautiful mascara that I reviewed last week, which is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. So I just got the brush out as well. Looks like that. And now I'm just gonna do my lashes now. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline New York Colour Sensational lipstick in the shade Midnight Plum, which is a gorgeous dark, almost like a dark purple colour, which I think really would complement this look really well. Finally, I'm just gonna set everything using the Urban Decay All Night Spray, which I absolutely adore. This is the up close of my final look using the Glitter Obsessed eyeshadow palette from Primark. It's like really hot in here and I'm like dying. Just gonna have a little Evian water break. I'm lying, I actually just filled this up. But I did actually buy some Evian water earlier, and yeah, I just refilled it using this tap water, but shh, don't tell anyone. I'm just gonna tell you about this palette right here and what I thought about it, and if it's basically worth the purchase. So I got this like a couple of weeks ago, I believe, and I bought it for £4, which is quite good considering there's like 28 shades. Okay, there's quite a few shades in here, which is obviously very good value for £4. Like, I'm not going to slander that. Like, that is amazing value for the amount of shades that you get in this palette. However, I do have a little bit of a qualm about it. The gold shade that I use in this palette, they were very, very good in their terms of their pigment. They were very, very good to apply. They weren't too bad of a quality of pigment, right? But the thing is, they did take quite a long time to build up to get the colour, which obviously, if you're trying to do this in a rush, which I don't know why you would, I say that if you're on a night out or something and you quickly want to just do your makeup before you go, this probably isn't the palette for you, because you're going to be spending quite a lot of time perfecting this. Like, I wouldn't say like my eye look is perfect by any means. Gold shades are very, very good in terms of the colour, and they looked very, very good as well, to be honest. The light blue shade was actually quite good as well. I mean, it was good. Like, the colour was slightly worse of a payoff than maybe the gold shades, was usable, and once you build up the colour it actually looked really, really good on. However, the dark blue shades, now, they weren't great. Like, the colour is amazing, but when you actually put it on, it's so patchy. Like, you could see how much I was struggling. It was mental. It was so patchy. The colour was very good, but it was so patchy, like the colour didn't even look right almost on the eye. I didn't like the dark shades. I mean, it was good if you want just like a casual festival look. I mean, there are a few more festivals going on, like Leeds Fest, I believe, is this weekend. So there are festivals going on. So if you want a cheap festival look, obviously get this palette, because it will just last you for a couple of hours. I mean, you could probably even put it on your face. I don't think there's any laws against that. In terms of those dark blue ones, they were just a bit of a nightmare to apply. I tried using my finger and the brush and it just didn't work. Overall, they're probably not the best quality, but then what do you sort of expect from Primark? Like, you're not going to get sort of Urban Decay quality eyeshadows. I mean, this is good just for like, if you want just like to play around with makeup, have a bit of fun. But if you're actually like going to an event or something, Christmas party, I'm not talking about Christmas again, I swear. I probably would score this probably about 3 out of 5. If you're thinking about star ratings here, I wouldn't say it's like the best palette I've ever tried, but it's probably not the worst either. I've tried quite a lot of bad palettes from when I started like getting into makeup and stuff. Obviously when you're younger you don't really think about how good quality pigments are and stuff like that, so I think the price point is definitely fair for this. Okay, I'm back, guys. I had a bit of an issue with the battery. It was literally like running so low, and it's so stupid. Like, I literally got almost to the end of the video and it just like died, so I had to wait for like 2.5 hours for it to charge. But yes, I am back. So anyway, before that, I just want to show you what sort of state my eyes are in now. Glitter on my right eye is pretty much just completely come off. Don't know if you can see that. It's just like completely gone crazy. However, the left eye is sort of gone okay. I guess that just shows about the longevity of these eyeshadows. Like, they're not the best quality. We're onto the swatches part. I mean, I don't know what sort of hope I've got here left, but firstly, I'm gonna try this like lime green colour like here, and I think I'm gonna go in with this like greeny shade here. That's not too bad actually. And then let's just do one final one. Maybe this like white shade, it's sort of intriguing me. Oh, that's quite blinding. I didn't expect that. And now my arm is literally covered in glitter, like I'm going to like a 90s party, because I don't know about you, but when I was younger, I used to just cover myself in glitter. I was obsessed with like glitter products. I hope that you really, really enjoyed this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you love this sort of video. Leave me a comment if you've tried this palette before, if you love it, if you hate it. I'd love to know your thoughts. And please subscribe to my channel, because I make a new video every week. And maybe even hit the bell if you're serious about me. Another big thing, I hit 100 subscribers, which I'm so happy about. Literally over the moon. So yeah, I'd love it if you followed me on this journey. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.